Hi, today I would like to thank all my subscribers and all the people who watches my video on YouTube and library. I've just reached 100 subscribers on YouTube, and as a thank you for all of you beautiful people, I would like to make a special giveaway. This is my multimedia control knob. You can watch the video up there about this, and I'm going to give away free for you. You can choose the color and the upper cover finish pattern. There are three types of finish: the smooth one, knurled one, and the vertical cutouts. So just click in the link in the description below, and in 2 or 3 weeks the giveaway will end. That's it. Remember to watch my other videos. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, consider doing so, because in the future I will do another giveaway. You can leave a comment in the description. What should I give away? Maybe you have some great ideas, just leave it there. Thank you all.